Right, I am going to do something a little bit different today. I'm not doing an unboxing because I wanted to try these out first because I've not done anything like this before, and I thought, well, they're a bit different. These are bone conduction headphones. Yes, they don't go in your ears, they don't go on your ears, they go around your ears, they go to the side. And they work on vibration, and it is really strange. It's not uncomfortable, don't get me wrong. It's just, well, it's different. It works differently. So what I'm going to do is tell you what I think about them first, which is unusual. I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect, how easy it is to actually use the controls, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about them. All right? So where did I start? I forgot already. Right, like I said, I've had these for a few days and they are very comfortable. Been trying them out. I thought I'll try them out, see whether or not I liked them, because I thought, oh, are they going to work? But they do work. And they reckon they're probably the best things to do. Wear these rather than earbuds where you put stuff in your ears and you could get infections, you could damage your eardrum, things like that. They don't have extreme loudness, but on the other hand, my wife was sitting quite close to me earlier and she said, I can't hear them. But you know, when you put them right up to her ear, she can hear them. And I thought, that's really weird. Yeah, so if you have someone, say you're on a train and someone's sitting near you, you know, because it's quite crowded on the train, they might just be able to hear them. But you can hear them nice and clearly. They work extremely well. And the bass and treble is very good in my opinion. I'm quite impressed how good they actually are on quality of sound. I thought, is the bass going to be any good? And it is. But if you're one of those people who like it extremely loud, these are not for you. These are very good quality sound, but they won't go, you know, 90 to 100 decibels and blow your eardrums off. So something to bear in mind. So what I'm going to tell you about them now is how easy they are to set up, how easy they are to use. Extremely easy, just like any other Bluetooth device, and I'm going to quickly show you right now how to set them up. So first of all, I'm going to turn them off. So all you've got to do is hold the button in for 3 seconds. There's 3 buttons on here. Red light means it's turned off, yeah? So you have an up and a down volume button, an on-off button, which you hold in for 3 seconds, and then you have a pause button, or answer a phone call, or disconnect a phone call, which is that one now. I found that a little bit hard to press. It does work, but you have to press it quite hard for it to work. These also not waterproof, but they should be sweatproof. And they are perfect for people who go out jogging, running, anything like that, or you know, just out walking about. If you want something where you don't put them in your ears, these might work really well. And they do work really well. So what I'm going to quickly do now is I'm going to disconnect it off my Bluetooth, or forget it on my Bluetooth, which is this baby here, digital. Forget. Just to go through to show you how easy it is to, you know, connect them to your phone or whatever device you're using. So where are we? Pair new device, right? Turn her on, 3 seconds, like I said earlier. Blue light comes on. There you go. It will search. There it goes, digital. That is it. Job done. Allow power. That's it. And away you go. Get rid of that. Get your music on. Right, now to turn the volume up and down, these 2 buttons here. Right, press play first. I think you've got to press play first. That one. There, play. Now volume up and down. So that's up. Bottom one's up. And down, top one. Yeah? Can you hear that? I don't think you can you? It's really weird. Pause button, that one there. So easy. It does work on your head as well, you can pause it. I'm just saying it is a little bit hard to press. See? Because you're pushing it on your body, but after you've done it a while, it becomes easier. And to go to the next track is double press. Oh, we're at the end anyway. Go back. Oh, yeah, there's the other thing I noticed. There's no rewind. So double press for the next one. There you go. Next one. See? One press. Pause. Volume up and down. Does take you a little bit of time to find out where your buttons are. Right. Pause button, and I did read this. Pause button, or volume button I should say, does not work when it's in pause mode. Only works when it's in play mode. Does that make sense? Yeah. So it's playing. Turn the volume down. Turn the volume up. Pause. And you get some earbuds. You get a small USB charging cable, which is only a small one, you know, 300-400mm long. And you get some earbuds. So you can put these in your ears and wear these next to your ears. Not in your ears. They don't go in your ears. They go in front of your ears. Yeah? See that? Really weird. Like I said, I've been trying them out for a few days actually. I've had them nearly a week. And I thought I'm going to try them out first. See how I get on with them. And then I'm going to tell you what I think about them. And they definitely get my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think. Whether you've got a pair of these or you're thinking about buying a pair of these. They cost around about 50, I think around about £56 when I looked on Amazon. I didn't actually buy these, they sent them to me, so thank you very much for that. But, as always, I will always give you an honest opinion on anything I do a review on. And yeah, they're very good. Different. And they come in 3 colours, or 3 flavours. One of them's a lime. I think it's, hang on, let's see if it's on there. So you've got a lime, black ones and white ones. Yeah? So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, different. Oh, head shake. Feel dizzy now.